Show me. This is a sparring program, similar to the programmed reality of The Matrix. It has the same basic rules like gravity. What you must learn is that these rules are no different than the rules of a computer system. Some of them can be bent. Others can be broken. Understand? Then hit me, if you can. Good. Adaptation, improvisation. But your weakness is not your technique.
Morpheus is fighting Neo.
How did I beat you?
You're too fast.
Do you believe that my being stronger or faster has anything to do with my muscles in this place? You think that's air you're breathing now?
Camera speeds.
Here we go, and out! In!
Woo!
Count. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
Oh my God, that was amazing! Look at you!
Here we go, guys. In, out! In! Guys. Here we go. Out! In! Woo! That's Woo! Nothing like danger.